Yeah, so we've got a good application of science here. We've got tips of wood burning in the bottom of the fire here, and that creates an updraft through here, and cool air is coming in through this venturi here, being superheated and heating up the water that's in a water jacket around the outside of this contraption. Without a venturi, the fire doesn't know where to burn. Doesn't burn efficiently because the oxygen is not getting to the bottom of the fire. But when you put the venturi in here, the air is efficiently getting blasted down to the bottom of the fire, burning very efficiently, and creating an updraft here. So the air is going down here, being superheated, and then puffing up through here. So I got this here at an old yard years ago down in Yates Avenue, between near the pool. The chap had some old junk there, and I got that about 30 years ago. This is commonly used in bathrooms and laundries. In the old days, they'd have this spout here would be directly putting water into the bath, and then they'd have a tap that would be regulating the water coming in, and this regulator here, you maintain a certain level of water in there, and about halfway up that container there, and that will give you a sufficient amount of water to keep this running. Might take half an hour to fill up an average bath. We did use this out camping a few times by heating water up into a container and then having that roped to the top of it to a branch, and you have a 5-minute shower with a adjustable fountain head on the bottom of the container, so we could have a hot shower out in the bush. Change this water on.
Yeah. How good is that sound?